Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your WooCommerce store with Zoho CRM. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official platform we are using for our WooCommerce store. So if you're using WordPress like me, go to wordpress.com right here, and after opening it up, you can get started accessing your WooCommerce store. If you have not set up your store already, right here on the left side of the screen, you're going to have the plugin section from where we can get started with accessing the plugins we can use for setting up our WooCommerce store. So once we have done that, now we can go ahead and get started with adding the extensions we need for using Zoho CRM. So we are going to go to the official WooCommerce website right here at woocommerce.com if you're not already, and right here at the top of the screen you're going to go ahead and open up the extensions marketplace. This is how it's going to look like. From here we can find all the extensions we can use for a WooCommerce store, and we are going to go and be using this search bar at the top of the screen to go ahead and search for Zoho. So go ahead and search for Zoho and it's going to give us a result right here of all of the extensions that are related to Zoho that we can use, and what we're looking for is this one right here, the CRM integration for Zoho. So what you want to do is to open up this right here, and this is going to enable us to connect our WooCommerce store with Zoho CRM to sync data over Zoho for smoother management. So if you want to install it to your store, just click the buy now option right here, and once you buy it, you are going to go and be able to install it. So once the extension is installed, go ahead and open it up, and it's going to walk you through step by step on how to go ahead and integrate it with your WooCommerce store that we have set up right here. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.